Hey guys, my name is Abhishek. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. I hope my sound is clear this time. So before starting the discussion about how a star is formed, let me tell you some basics about the starting of our universe, or we can say that how our universe was started. Our universe started from the Big Bang, and Big Bang occurred 13.8 billion years ago. So at that time the size of our universe is infinitely small and the density of our universe is infinite. So can you imagine our universe at that time? So after Big Bang happened, Big Bang is kind of an explosion. After that happened, our universe is constantly expanding. At this present moment also our universe is constantly expanding from its boundary, if boundary exists. It is believed that when the fuel of the sun finishes up, it will start contracting our universe towards it. So currently our universe is expanding, but in the future it will start collapsing, our whole universe contracting towards the sun. So when the collapsing continues time to time, then there will be a time that again our universe will have infinitely smaller size and infinite times density. This will known as Big Crunch. But this will all happen when the fuel of the sun finishes up, but nothing to worry about now because our sun has a fuel which will last around 8,000 million years ago. So nothing to worry about now. So now when you get an idea about the starting of the universe and the ending of the universe also, so let's begin our today's topic, that how a star is formed. So a star is formed when a huge amount of gas, mostly hydrogen, start collapsing towards itself due to the gravitational attraction. So as the contraction continues, there will be lesser and lesser amount of space for the hydrogen molecules. And with the lesser amount of space, the collision between the hydrogen atoms will increase. This will result in the increase of the heat energy at that place. And we also know that if we increase the heat of a specific substance, its volume will increase. So at the star, imagine the current condition of a star. It's contracting due to the gravitational attraction and it's expanding due to the hydrogen collision heat energy. So there will be a point at which they both stabilizes and there will be a perfect structure of a star. And the rest amount of the heat energy, since all of the heat energy is not required in this balancing, the balancing of the gravitational attraction and the expansion, the left out amount of heat energy will be carried out of the star as the lightening of the star. So that's how a star shines actually. So it's that damn easy and I hope you got it. So that's it from my side guys. If you like this video, please comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Many new videos related to many interesting and fun topics are coming for you. So please do subscribe down below. Thank you so much for watching.